Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can choose your seat in trip.com. So, first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your trip.com account. Okay, so let me just open another tab right here. Okay, that's right. And then after that, you just have to choose the flights. And then you just have to tab right here your the city that you're flying from, and then your destination. After that, tap on the search option. That's right. And then you just have to choose your flight or your ticket. Okay, so once you are done, right here, you just have to fill in your info, so your complete information. And then you just have to tap on the next option. So once you are done, right here, tap on the next. And then in this section, you would be able to choose your seat. Okay, so here we have the different seat. So for example, we want this one. So as long as the seat is not locked yet, it means that it is available. So for example, this one, so tap on it, and then after that, tap on the next flight option. Okay, and then once you are done, then it will proceed to the next step. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.